Everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So before starting the word of the day, let's have a look on these two images. So first look at this image where there is a boy, and by his gestures you can imagine that he is careless, he is carefree. Okay, he has no worry. And if we see this second image, so there are four children and they are happy, they are carefree, they are not concerned, they are not worried. So before moving to the word of the day, let's have an idea about these two images. Okay, so now let's come to our word of the day. So and I will connect those two images with the word of the day and you will understand very soon. Okay, so word of the day is nonchalant. What does it mean? Okay, so nonchalant means a person who, let's see the meaning which is written over here. A person who is not interested in or caring about somebody or something. Means a person who is not interested in or caring about somebody something, means that person is, you can say that person is not worried, and he or she doesn't care about anything or anybody. Okay, so for that person we use nonchalant in Hindi. if I repeat, तो नॉन चैलेंट वह पर्सन होता है जिसको किसी चीज़ की कोई परवाह ना हो, बेपरवाह हो, ठीक है, फ्री हो, उसे कोई चीज़ की चिंता ना हो, ठीक है, उसके लिए हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं नॉन चैलेंट वर्ड का। ठीक है, तो नॉन चैलेंट, व्हाट आर दी सिनोनिम्स ऑफ नॉन चैलेंट? ठीक है, सो दीज आर थ्री सिनोनिम्स आई हैव टेकन which are synonyms to non-challenge, and all these three words are important for exam purpose. Not only for exam purpose but also for if you want to read newspaper and if you want to improve your English speaking skills, as I have told you earlier. So all these four words, first one is non-challenge and indifferent, apathetic and uncurious. All four words are synonyms to each other and all four words are important too. So let's come to the example. So first of all, I would like to connect this word with the previous two images. Okay, nonchalant, I think by now you must have understood the meaning of nonchalant. So if I come to previous two images, so you can see this guy who is nonchalant. He doesn't care about anything. He is unconcerned. He is not concerned about anything. Okay, he has indifferent attitude. Means he doesn't care about anything or anyone. Okay, and now you can see the children. These children also have nonchalant attitude. Okay, they are carefree. They are not worried about anything. Okay, सो इन हिंदी वी कैन से उदासीन. ओके, मीन्स जो किसी चीज़ की परवाह ना करता हो, उसके लिए यूज़ करते हैं हम वर्ड नॉन चैलेंट. ओके, सो नाउ आई हैव टेकन द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पीएम मोदी. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. हैविंग गिफ्ट ऑफ द गैव, पीएम मोदी faces the crowd with nonchalant ease of an experienced speaker. Okay, so first of all we will understand what is the meaning of gift of the gave. It is also a new word for you. If you want, you can also note this word. Okay, so this is basically an idiom, and having gift of the gave, it means that a person having good speaking skills. And I think all of you are very well aware about PM Modi's speaking skills, so that's why I have used this idiom. So having gift of the gab, PM Modi faces the crowd with the nonchalant ease of an experienced speaker. मतलब क्योंकि PM मोदी के पास गिफ्ट ऑफ द गैब मतलब अच्छी स्पीकिंग स्किल्स हैं, इसीलिए वो क्राउड का सामना करते हैं, भीड़ का सामना करते हैं विद द नॉन चैलेंट ईज, मतलब बिना कोई परवाह के, बिना किसी चीज़ की परवाह किए, ना डरे हुए ना कुछ. ऐसा कि ज़्यादातर लोग के साथ होता है. मैनी पीपल who find it difficulty whenever they face any crowd. There are many people and it is one of the worst fear and very prominent fear that people have, that whenever they go on stage, they perform on stage, they feel very nervous. And but PM Modi, in case of PM Modi, he faces the crowd with the nonchalant ease of an experienced speaker. मतलब he doesn't care about anything, he can do it very easily. Okay, so I hope by now you must have understood the meaning of nonchalant, and so this was the word of the day. And I hope you like this video, this word, and if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and also like the video. And if you have any query, any doubt, you can post it in your comment box. And also if you want to make any word, you can use this word in your own sentence. And if you like to post, you can also post in comment section. So see you tomorrow with the next word. Thank you very much.